morning. We're going to share a video with you in lieu of face-to-face training on YouTube to help you with your business and customer service. I'm going to give you an example of an insurance scope and a situation when the homeowner wants to substitute some of the work or change what is outlined in the scope, and then how confusion happens with the bill and out-of-pocket expense for the homeowner. Alright, first of all, we have an insurance scope where, let's say State Farm is going to pay $5,000 for the roof, $300 for interior on the kitchen, $300 for the interior on the bathroom, and $600 for interior on the living room. That's a total cost of the job for $6,200. The client's out-of-pocket expense is $500 for their deductible. So they're assuming insurance is mailing them a check for $5,700. Once you get into the home with the homeowner, they decide that they're going to do the bath interior themselves. It's very simple. So they only want us to do the roof, the kitchen, and the living room for a total of $5,900 in labor and materials. So once that job is complete, they're thinking they're going to apply their $5,700 from insurance, that they only owe $200, and they're super happy because instead of $500 out of pocket, they're only spending $200. The reality is we spent $5,900, and that's what we're billing them for. Insurance is only going to mail them $5,400. So they still owe their $500 deductible. Some of the confusion comes in because in the past, insurance companies just wanted them to let us know that the homeowner's work was completed. So we sent a COC that didn't have a full description of the work. It just said we did the work for the homeowner and the homeowner's happy. They mailed out all the money. The insurance industry has changed over time, and now they're requiring completed photos of the work. They're requiring a breakdown of our invoice of what work we did. So if we mail them something that says we did work that wasn't done, that's insurance fraud, and your roofing company is not going to participate in that. We have too much to risk. We care a lot about your business and ours, and we're just going to operate honestly and effectively. So we're going to mail them a bill for the work that's completed. So we'll have to explain in a situation like this to the homeowner, we'll be happy to let you do your interior, but you will have to bill your insurance company separately for that. So if you choose to do that, please don't expect them to mail you $5,700. And let them know what insurance will pay. And if it helps and makes your sale go easier, you can explain to them how they can invoice their own insurance company and take care of that on the side. I hope this is a great explanation for you, and if you have any other questions, call Eddie or myself. Thank you.